Hello, students. How are you all? I think you are fine. Now we will start exercises on dot product and cross product. Already we discussed these two topics in last videos. Due to the importance of these two topics, we have to do some exercises. Especially in public examinations, definitely one question will come as a numerical or properties or definition like this. Okay, first we will do problems related to dot product. Already you know dot product is a scalar product. The significance of a dot product is a scalar quantity. If you take two vectors, if you multiply, if the resultant is a scalar, then we can represent as dot product, where a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of two vectors, okay, multiplied by cos theta. Okay, magnitude of two vectors multiplied by cos theta, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta. And the significance already you know, and the properties already we have seen that. Okay, basically one more important here we have to explain here, it is what is I bar dot I bar. Okay, what is the value of I bar dot I bar? I bar dot I bar is 1 into 1 into I bar dot I bar. Both I bars are lying along x axis. Already you know these two are unit vectors which shows the direction along x axis, and the angle between these two is 0. Cos 0 is 1, that's why it is 1. I bar dot j bar, okay, or I bar dot k bar, whatever it may be, all these values are j cap dot I cap, okay, ij, sorry, here I bar dot I bar, j bar dot j bar, k bar dot k bar must be equal to 1. But I bar dot j bar, I cap dot j cap must be equal to 0, because these two are along x and y axis. The angle is 90, cos 90 is 0. That's why I cap dot j or jk or ki must be equal to 0. These two important here, because in especially in exercises we have to take care of these two values. Okay, here I will write for dot product and cross product. First I will write here I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. I cap dot j cap, j cap dot k cap or k cap dot I cap is equal to 0. These two already we studied in properties of dot product. Okay, first we will see the problem related to dot product. Okay, a force they have given, if force F is equal to I cap plus 5j cap plus 7k bar cap, I cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap acts on a particle, acts on a particle, acts on a particle. Here the force what they have given, I cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap, acts on a particle and displaces and displaces displaces through how much the distance, displaces through s bar is equal to 6i plus 9k, 6i plus 9k. Okay, 6i plus 9k. Calculate the work done, calculate the work done. We have to find out the work done here. Already you know work done formula, here it is. Work done is a best example for dot product, and work done is a product of f into s, f bar dot s bar. From that we can write what is f bar, I cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap dot s bar is 6i cap plus 9k cap, like this. Simply we have to do I, and K. Here also we have to multiply I cap, okay, or we can say 1 into 6, 6 into I cap dot I cap, okay, anyhow, plus is there, 5 J cap, here nothing is there, okay, that's why we need not to write this one. That's why we can better you write 0 into J cap plus, because 5j is there, 5j could not be multiplied. Of course, if you multiply 5j into I is 0 because ij is 0, 5j into k is also 0, jk is also 0. That's why better you write j term as 0 into j cap plus 7 into 9. Okay, 7 nines are 63, k cap dot k cap. Like this we can write. And finally, 6 I cap dot I cap is 1 plus this one is 0 plus 63 k cap into k cap is 1. And finally, we have 69 joules. 69 joules. Like this we can find out here. Okay, first copy this one. Shall I rub now? Okay. Here one more problem here like this we have. They are very simple problems. Prove that the vectors I plus 2j minus I plus 2j plus 3k and one more vector is there, I plus 2j plus 3k and 2i and 2i minus j are perpendicular. These two has to be perpendicular. How can you prove it? ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉన్నాయని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే how can you say that the two vectors are perpendicular when the dot product of these two must be equal to 0. Here see, these are the unit perpendicular vectors. The dot product of these two must be equal to 0. That's why here also we have to do the perpendiculars, means dot product we have to do it. Okay, I plus 2j plus 3k dot 2i minus j, the dot product must be equal to 0 here. Then what is the value here? 2 into I cap dot I cap plus 2 into, here plus into minus minus 2 into j cap dot j cap plus, anyhow k term is not there here, that's why you put 0. 2 into I dot I is 2, I dot I is 1, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into j dot j is also 1, that's why 2 into 1 is 2, and finally is also equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. That's why we can say these two are perpendicular. How can you prove it? These two vectors are perpendicular. Means the dot product of these two vectors must be equal to 0. Okay, write it now. Okay, one last problem we will do here for dot product. After that, we will go for cross product. What is the angle between? Find the angle between. Find the angle between. Find the angle between the following. Find the angle between the following pair of vectors. Following pair of vectors. Okay, here a bar is equal to I plus j plus k and b bar is equal to minus 2i minus 2j, okay, minus 2k. We have to find out the angle. What is the angle between the two vectors? Already you know a bar dot b bar is equal to modulus of a bar modulus of b bar into cos theta. That's why simply you write cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modulus of a modulus of b. That like this we have to find. What is a bar dot b bar? A bar is this one, I plus j plus k. Okay, you have to find out the dot product. B bar is minus 2y minus 2j minus 2k, like this, minus 2y minus 2j minus 2k by modulus of a bar. What is the formula for modulus of a bar? Root of a square plus b square plus c square, ax square plus ax square plus ay square plus az square. In the same way, bx square by square bz square into root of bx square minus 2 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 2 square. Like this we have to find out. Then what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is equal to, just do dot product, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus into minus minus j into 2j minus 2, like this, by root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 into root of 2 2s are 4 4 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Like this you have to find out. Completed. Then what is the value here? Minus 6 by root 3. How can we write root 12? Root 12 can be written as 3 into 4. Shall I write now? Like this we can write. Or we can also write minus 6 by root 3. This one can I write 2 root 3? Okay, like this we can write. That is equal to minus 6 by 2 into root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square. Square root get cancelled. And finally, shall I write here now? Cos theta is equal to minus 6 by 2 into 3, 6. 6 get cancelled, you will get minus 1. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 means theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, like this we can find out the value of dot product. Okay, ఈ మూడిట్లకి వెళ్ళి ఎక్కువగా వస్తాయేమో, ఒకసారి చూడండి మీరు. Okay, shall I rub this now? Okay, we will do some exercises related to dot cross product. In cross product, కంపల్సరీ ఇవి రెండు చూసుకోండి అమ్మా, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇవి. క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చూద్దాం. ప్రూవ్ దట్ ద వెక్టర్స్ గివెన్ r bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 2k, like this we have, and p bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 2k and p bar is equal to, here they have given p bar 4i minus 3k or 4j minus 3k, like this they have given. What you have to find out? What you have to find out the value of L. Find L. L we have to find out. You know, L means angular momentum. L is equal to r bar cross p bar. How can you find out the cross product? Simply by using the determinant. Already we studied here, I, j, k. First r bar component, I component is 1, j component is minus 2, k component is 2. What about p? P component, I component nothing is there, that's why we put 0, j is 4, k is minus 3, like this. Then simply ఐ ఆఫ్ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ ఐకి సంబంధించిన రో కాలం తీసేస్తే -2 2 4 -3 మైనస్ జే కాలం తీసేస్తే 1 2 0 -3 1 2 0 -3 ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ కే కాలం పెడితే 1 -2 0 4 1 -2 0 4 నెక్స్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ AD minus BC. AD minus BC. The A, B, C, D. Next you have to find out AD minus BC. What is AD? 2 3s are 6 minus into minus plus 6 minus 4 2s are 8 like this. Here simply I will write here AD minus BC. This is our formula. Minus J. 1 into -3 -3 -0 plus k into 1 into 4 4 -0. Finally what you will get? 6 minus 8 is -2i -3 minus j plus 3j plus 4k. Like this we have to find out L bar. But he is asking to find out modulus of L. Modulus of L. How can I find out modulus of L? Here I will write now. L bar is equal to -2i plus 3j plus 4k. Okay, this is the value. Modulus of L means root of -2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. What is the value? -2 square means 4 plus 9 plus 16. How much the value? 29, root 29. This is the value of L. L is root 29. Okay, like this. You can find out the value of L value. Root 29. Completed. One more problem we will do here. Shall I rub now? Okay. Show that 2i minus 3j plus 4k 2i minus 3j plus 4k and one more vector is there minus 6i plus 9j minus 12k minus 6i plus 9j plus 12k are parallel. In previous question you have to prove it perpendicular. When you have to when two vectors are perpendicular means their dot product is 0. When two vectors are parallel means their cross product is 0. Because in cross product what you can write? A bar cross B bar means AB sin theta. AB sin theta into n cap. Suppose if you have to find out the modulus, then AB sin theta, then if they are perpendicular means, if they are parallel means theta is equal to 0. When theta is equal to 0, sin 0 how much? 0. ఈ రెండు వెక్టర్స్ ప్యారలల్గా ఉన్నాయని ఎట్లా తెలుసుకుంటామంటే వీటి యొక్క క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ కనుక 0 వస్తే డెఫినెట్లీ వీ కెన్ సే దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ జస్ట్ దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ A bar, this one is B bar. You have to find out A bar cross B bar is equal to 0. 0 means simply you have to cross product, you have to do it. How can we do it? First ij k 2 minus 3 4 minus 6 9 2, that is equal to same just now we have done, that must be equal to 0, no? A bar cross B bar is equal to 0, that implies A bar cross B bar cross product is equal to 0. 2 into minus 3 4 9 2. Okay, I into this one. minus j into 2 4 minus 6 2 plus k into 2 minus 3 minus 6 9, like this. That implies I into minus 6 minus 4 9s are 36, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, minus j into 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24, plus k into 2 9s are 18, minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18. Okay, this must be equal to engalama 0. How it will be? Okay, first you write it. Shall I rub this now? 3 2s are minus 6, 4 9s are 36, minus j 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, minus minus plus k into 2 minus 3 minus 6 9. Okay. 2i plus 3j plus 4k, 2i plus 3j minus 4k, 3i minus 4j, sorry, 3i minus 4j, 2i minus 3j plus 4k, minus 6i plus 9j minus 12k, minus 12k, ఇది minus 12k అమ్మ, sorry, minus 12k. If it is minus 12k, ijk 2 minus 3 4 minus 6 9 minus 12. I చూడండమ్మా, 3 into 12 4 9 minus j 2 4 6 minus 12, 2 4 6 minus 12. k చూడండి, 2 3 minus 6 9, 2 3 minus 6 రైట్. ఇక్కడ minus 12 అమ్మ, minus 12 రాసుకోండి, సారీ, ijk minus 2 minus 3 4 minus 6 plus 9 minus 12 రాయాలమ్మ. ఇది రాస్తే ఇక్కడ రో కాలం తీసేస్తే 2 3 6 9. ఓకే, ఐజేకి సంబంధిస్తే దీస్ వాల్యూ 3 minus 4 9 12. నెక్స్ట్ జేకి సంబంధించి దీస్ 2 అండ్ దీస్ 2, కే అయితే దీస్ 1. ఓకే, నౌ ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీను 3 12s are minus 36, minus 36. ఓకే, here plus 36. చూడండి, ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ, ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ, ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ, minus 3 minus 4 9 minus 12, like this. AD, what is AD? 3 12s are plus 36, minus into minus plus 3 12s are 36, minus AD minus BC 4 9s are 36. Here J 2 12s are 24, 2 12s are 24. Here minus is there, minus 24 plus 24 plus k into minus 18 plus k into. ఓకే, అది ఇక్కడ చిన్న క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అమ్మా. minus 3 4 9 12 minus 36 plus 36, these two get cancelled. Here also minus 24 plus 24 also cancel, minus 18 plus 19 also are, and finally 1 is 0 సే కదమ్మా, must be equal to 0 అయింది కదా. దట్స్ వై హియర్ ఏ బార్ క్రాస్ బి బార్, దీన్ని ఏ దీన్ని బి అనుకుంటే ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 0, మీన్స్ the two vectors are parallel, the two vectors are parallel. Like this we can find out. Okay, this is what vector product. First copy it,